Welcome to the Introductory workshop of IDE Academy. Today you are gonna understand what IDE Academy is about and what kind of offer we can give you, but also how you can plan and what you want to do, you wish to do in the next 6 months and also in the next year. So IDE Academy is about skills. But it's also about your decision making and also changing your decision making. You are gonna choose workshop mostly every 2-3 weeks, and we want to help you out in that. Specifically, we want to support you in become aware of changes in mindset. Changes is also in direction of your expertise. Maybe now is not going to be the same in the next 6 months. So we want to help you out with that. And also we want to help you tracking your skills development. So this is the first the first stone you're gonna put, or actually let me introduce today. It's the first planet you're gonna discover. Because today you're gonna be foxtronaut and you're gonna be asked to plan a journey of 1 year long in which you're gonna discover 13 planets. So you're not gonna be, of course, by yourself. You are gonna work in an intergalactic neural link. By the way, neural link is also from Earth, so you're gonna have a link soon in which you're gonna work on your computer, on your laptop here, and you are going to follow a series of activity. The activity are 4, and you're gonna be mostly with your team. At some point, you are gonna talk with your future self, your predecessor. Specifically, the students that started 6 months ago, and they're normally the students from February. And you're gonna have a moment in which you will be able to talk and chat in this, time space bubble in which everything is melted. So let's get started. I just wanted to explain you what you need to do. Just remember, at the end of your activities, you're going to be asked to upload your assignment on Brightspace. Actually, Brightspace doesn't need a name change, so it's already good like that. So let's get started. I'm going to explain you the 4 activity now. So this is the mural link. The white area, it's dedicated for you. The work area is divided in 4 activity 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the instruction are in the top right corner in the outline icon. As you can see, there are 4 activity for you with a description, and if you click on the title, you're going to be directed on the activity. So in activity 1, you're asked to build your foxtronaut, and you need to copy that template. So please don't drag it so that everybody can use the template. Of course, you can resize it so everybody can be in the same team, and then you can customize with icons, etc. Then you need to go to the moon, and you're gonna be sent to a round table in activity 2. Please remember to name your character. As you can see, in the center there is a deck with 35 workshop cards, and the game is to gather 7 workshop cards for each of you. For example, if I don't like startup, I put the startup card on the discarded pile, and then maybe someone else can take it. For example, Janus might take it because he can choose between design history and startup, and I can see him liking startup more. So this is the game, but remember all the instructions are quite detailed. In activity 3, there is a area in which you can ask a question to your predecessor, so the students from February. Then in activity 4, you are gonna plan your workshops. You have 3 sections, 3 categories, and then you're gonna place all of the cards that are just displayed below in quarter 1 and quarter 2 in your directions and in those categories. You can copy them and then put them in your template that you already have resized, as you can see. Then you will be asked to take screenshots of activity 1, activity 2, and activity 3, and then upload it in your assignment in Brightspace. Thanks for being with me, and now I wish you all the best and enjoy your journey.